So I'm walking out the door to go fishing. I said to my pretty little wife, don't you worry about dinner because I'll be bringing dinner home. I'm going fishing. I no sooner step out the door, I get a message on my phone. I'll order pizza for you to pick up. The lack of confidence is real. There we go. What do we got? Small largemouth. Not bad. Little fella. Oh, there we go. Oh, I think I blocked your view. It was a largemouth. I usually don't have very good luck on this side over here. We'll give it a try and see what happens. There we go. Here we go. What do we got? Oh, another largemouth. Just a little fella. That little guy. Got him right in the tunnel. Here we go again. There we go. What do we got this time? Oh. Another largemouth. Come on, boys. Another little guy. Now, usually the crappie are underneath the bridge here. Broke off, but saved my bobber. Go. Here we go. What do we got? Alright, well, try something a little different. It's a little fella, but I'm going to tell you what I did here. So I'm using a 1/4 ounce jig head with a gray trailer with a little bit of silver flake in it. Now, what's happening is I'm trying to bring it in, let it go, bring it in, let it go. It wasn't working, so I did a steady retrieve, which keeps this off the bottom because there's a lot of weeds. I tried it without the float. Didn't work too well because of the weeds. Let's see what else we got out here. Not sure how well you can all see that. Steady retrieve. If I reel too quick, the lure is going to come to the surface, so you just go slow. And just a slow, steady retrieve. That just keeps it off the bottom so it doesn't get hooked in the weeds. Just missed one there. We'll see if we can entice him again. I'm using light line. It's only 6-pound test line. I don't want anything too big. Oh, there we go. What do we got now? Was not expecting a catfish, but we'll take it. He went in a hurry. A catfish. That's a new one down here. Again, I'm just slow rolling that back. Now, hook's pretty small. Hopefully you can see that. Real small. You wanted it. There we go. What do we got now? A bad little bass. This one here might be the ticket, I'm telling you. I gotta tell you, bass are not in season, which is why we're using a whole lot smaller tackle than what we have been using before. That bass came off the same spot the catfish did. We are running out of daylight. I think I've said this before. This side of the creek gets fished pretty hard. The other side is private property. It doesn't get fished very hard at all. Oh, we just had a nice hit there. Well, I am quickly running out of daylight here. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate each and every one. If you don't mind, before you go, hit the subscribe button. We would love to have you along. Until the next one, don't forget to get outside and enjoy the outdoors. Fisherman's famous last words. One more cast. Oh my God. That was a huge fish. All right, you all let me know. Is this a win or is this a loss? I want to take it as a win. I'm getting pizza on the way home. That's what I want to know. Is it a win or a loss? I caught plenty of fish, but nothing in season that we could eat. So it's a win I caught the fish, which if it was season we could have ate. Because it wasn't season, nevertheless, shorter pizza, I got to pick it up on the way home. Still think it's a win. It's a win.